Here's Kylie eating her first popsicle for the day. Just laying down, relaxing. Hi, Kylie. Hi. It's good, huh? You like it? Uh-huh. It's good? Hmm? Is it Mum? You like it? Hi. Can you smile? Can you smile? Thank you. Oh. Alright, say bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye.